Thank you so much. I'm Mr. Okot Calvin, the head teacher of Abuang Primary School in Amolatar district. I also happen to be the spokesperson for the Teachers Association in the district. Today we are privileged to have a very important training that I think in the near future we'll have to make the teaching of science in our district something just very easy. Particularly in this respect, I would like to thank first of all the DEO and Amolatar District Local Government for choosing me and choosing our school as being one of the beneficiaries out of the 53 schools which is in the district. The second thanks also go to the Ministry of Education and Sports and Riverflow International for choosing to come to Amolatar district and making it very easy and delivering the science equipment which will enable us to teach science to the primary kids in the best way possible. In the same way, I also would like to thank the First Lady, who happens to be the Minister of Education and Sports in the whole country, Mama Janet Katar Museveni, for giving the initiative and making Riverflow International to choose our district out of the many to come and help us. We believe that today, as we have got the training, we are also very grateful for our facilitators who came and gave us the necessary informations and skills that can enable us, teach our learners, and make the teaching of science just something very simple. We have it in history that science has not been doing very well in especially other part of the country. But we believe that with what we have gathered from our facilitators today and what we have seen today, will make the teaching of science in our schools just something very simple. However, we also pray that since only 20 schools have been picked in the district, we are praying that maybe in future, if possible, if it can be extended to all the primary schools in the district, I think we'll have to help to solve the matter and make teaching of science in all the schools something just very simple. I don't want to take so much, but I pray that the knowledge we have got today will help us make teaching of science something just very simple. With those few remarks, I beg to stop here and thank you so much, and thank you so much. May God bless you all. I thank you for God and my country.